Day one of a software engineer trying not to get replaced by AI. Today, big change in my workflow. Regular cursor user, I'm switching to Claude Code. Except I know nothing about Claude Code or even Claude, being a regular open AI user. So what's the plan? The plan is to learn, to level up on agentic systems, to restart my technical watch on AI. And this time I'm trying something new. I'm going to share this on YouTube, journal style. Wow. Such an innovative concept. Yes, I know. But the fact of deep diving a concept so a video is good so it informs you, it's going to help me really get into concrete stuff and retain and apply what I read. Anyway, past this necessary little intro, what did I do today? Like I said, I'm going to try Claude Code. So clearly, I don't believe in 100% vibe coding yet. Having experimented with it on Cursor, it's clearly not ready. AI hallucinates way too much and goes in circles. But I'm hearing a lot of good things about Claude Code on this point. So come on, I cancelled my Cursor subscription for a Claude Code subscription. It's fine, it's the same price. I hope I won't have to switch to the $100 version. Well, so once Claude Code installed, I noticed that the onboarding on this tool is pretty security focused. Increasingly agentic systems means increasingly more risk of malicious prompts. We have many info on protection against prompt injection. Prompt injection reminds me a bit of SQL injections we could have a few years ago on a poorly coded site. It's a bit the same. It's an attacker who tries to manipulate the agent to send malicious instructions. Claude Code protects against this by implementing a permission system. We avoid doing wallow mode on writing tasks. An analysis of each request is done to scan its degree of maliciousness. Input processing is also done to remove anything that could be malicious. And Claude Code also blocks commands that could fetch data. Claude Code also puts a lot of emphasis on using devcontainers, a Dockerized environment playing the role of VM to really isolate the agent's work. I'll talk about it in more detail in a dedicated video. Beyond that, Claude Code encourages us to write our own MCPs. For now, I haven't had the need to write any, but soon I'm going to do some tests, notably to interface with Playwright. I'll tell you more about it then. Well, I have quite a lot of things to set up security-wise to protect myself from prompt injections, among other things. I'll show you a tour of what I've set up in the next video. If you want to follow the adventure, and you too try not to get replaced by AI, subscribe and ring the bell. Bye.